Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. As you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. Now that the headlight is prepped, now we can start with the installation. So start by applying Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is place the film to the headlight and make sure we just align this section first and tack it down with Tack Solution and our squeegee. So before we tack it down, keep it aligned. Apply Tack Solution, make sure it's aligned to the design of the headlight. So right there, it's aligned. Now we can tack it down. Apply Tack Solution on top of the film, hold it in position, and with the squeegee, start tacking it down. Make sure to remove all the solution that's trapped behind the film. And once this is secured, we can move on with the rest of the film. We're going to need to stretch it in order to remove these fingers that you see located here in the middle section of the headlight. So in order to stretch the film until you reach it here. So hold it there and bring it down to keep it aligned. And now we're slowly going to work our way on removing all these fingers. So apply Tack Solution underneath, align it and tack it down. So apply Tack Solution on top and tack it down. Make sure this stays aligned. And we're going to have to apply Tack Solution on top and underneath the headlights, and with a little bit of heat to help remove these fingers on these two middle sections here. So apply heat, and as you can see, the fingers are shrinking little by little. You can also help them separate them to make the squeeging process a little bit more easier. So break them down to make them smaller. And then once you apply enough heat, apply Tack Solution one more time. That way when we wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee and start tacking it down, it's more easier to glide and tack down the film. And you just rinse and repeat this whole step until you remove all the fingers. So it may take some time, but just be patient and just make sure you remove all the fingers. And you just rinse and repeat until you finish completely tacking them down. And now do the same for the top. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do is to pulse seat the entire headlight. So to pulse seat, just apply Tack Solution all over the film. And we're going to go section by section applying heat. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're passing our heat gun through each section of the headlight, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help remove any solution that's still trapped behind the film, as well as helping us secure the film in case there are still some fingers popping out on the edges. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.